very important topic, how to create an Gmail account. So we all are using internet, and to use the digital world we should have an email account. So today we will learn how to create an Gmail account. It's very important topic for kids as well as for elders. So watch carefully and make your own email account and use the different facility, different services given by Google. So let's start.
Email is one of the most commonly used internet service. Email is a way of sending and receiving messages over the internet. An email is just like a traditional letter, but instead of being sent over post, an email is sent over a globally connected computer network. Most of the email services are free and you can send email to as many people as you like. There are numerous websites that offer free email services such as www.gmail.com, yahoo.com, msn.com, rediff.com. It is very simple to create an email account by registering your details and creating your email address, username and password. To create an email account, firstly, click on the browser you are using. Search here Gmail new account. Click on the first link, create your Google account. So you will got a web page like this, and now you just need to fill this form. Write here your first name. You want to create your email account, you need to write here name, like I'm using here mine, Reena, and last name Annie. Okay, whatever you want to add. So at the which name you want to create your email account, you need to write here username. Okay, so password, you need to write a complex password here, mix of letters, number and symbols. Okay, in username you need to write same password, and with the help of eye icon you can check it's matching or not. So click on the eye icon. As you can see, your password got visible to you. Hide the password and then click on next. As that username is already taken, so here username should be unique. So it's also showing available username. You can select any from these, otherwise write your unique name. Okay, click on the next. Again it will confirm the password. Write the password here and again confirm. Write the same password here and click on the next. Otherwise you can check. Click on the next. So as it will ask you for some information, phone number, it's optional. You can write here your phone number. It will ask you for the recovery mail. In case you forget your password, then by using the recovery email address you can recover your password. So that's here you need to write any existing email ID. Okay, phone number is optional, so you may or may not write your phone number. Okay, this is your personal information and it's private and safe. Write here your birth date, year, click on the gender,
so it will give you an error because year is not complete. Okay, so you need to write here complete year 19. Okay, like 2020, then you can't write 20 only, you need to write 2020. Okay, privacy and terms policy, you can check the features which will be provided by the Google, and more privacy policy here. You can set it according to your requirements. As click on the send me occasional reminder about the settings. Click on here, click here, I agree. Send me occasional reminder means you can update your setting time to time, so it will send you reminder to check your security settings. Okay, so this is the home page. Inbox, primary, here is inbox. Here some options like sent mail. In inbox you will get all the mails. In primary, important mails. Social networking related mails. Promotion, promoted mails. New meeting you can join, Google Meet. Clicking on the sent, you can check your sent mails. Clicking on the inbox, and you can send mail using the Compose. Now you have an email account. Let's learn how to send an email. To send an email, click on Compose. Compose means write a new email. Okay, and you have to write the email address of the recipient. This field include the primary recipient. Okay, and in subject you need to write the mail related with. Okay, so here in subject you can write on which subject related you are sending email. Here this one is a test symbol. Here you can insert links. Here you can add some emojis. This is your drive, and this is your how to insert photo if you want to insert photo. And here is turn confidential mode, and here is digital signature. Okay, if you want to insert signature, and if anything you want to delete, then you can discard the draft. Okay, so we will use here attachment symbol from where you need to send an document. Okay, so we will learn how to send an document to someone. Okay, click on the desktop where your document available. It can be in download, it can be on desktop. Okay, so go to the file location. Here select the file, click on the file, click on open, and now here it is attached. Now click send. You can also do control enter. Okay, as you can see your message sent. Otherwise you can check your sent mail in sent, whether it's going, or if it's in outbox or in draft, that means your mail not sent. Okay, so it's in sent, that means your mail sent properly. Okay, so this is the procedure to create an account and send an email.